present to you today a simple program to calculate your age. So I'm using a program called PictoBlox. It's mainly using Python, but in a simple way so everyone can understand the program. I only need two things. I need the user to input his birth year, and I need the current year. So here is my program. First, I will ask the user for their birth year, and he will input it, as you see down. Then I need to check the input. Is it an integer? If it is an integer, then I need to check. If the birth year is greater than the current year, I will display. It means you have not been born even yet. So it means something is wrong. Else, it will calculate the age. It's just a subtraction between the birth year and the current year. And it will print your age is like 25, your age is 16, and so on. If it is not an integer, if you enter the birth year as not an digits, it will display, please enter a valid year, digits only. So let's take it into practice. Run all. Wait for it to check the command, to check if there is any error. Just wait for it. And here we go. Enter a birth year. So let's say I'm entering, okay, let's say I entered 1, 1, 1, 1. Here it is. So let's say I entered RE. Please enter a valid year, digits only. So let's again. Now let's try a real digit. So here it is. So I will say I born in 2001. So what is my age? Your age is 24. Okay, it's very simple program. I hope you understand it, and I hope to thank you for your time, and I hope